Okay, we're going to have a look at shapes of molecules, and we're going to construct ourselves a table, and we're going to start off with the number of bonding pairs. And then we're going to have the number of lone pairs. Then we're going to have the shape name, and then we're going to have the angle. So, if we have, for instance, two bonding pairs and no lone pairs, the shape name is linear and the angle is 180 degrees. Now, a good example of this would be carbon dioxide. Then we'll keep working on our table. So we will have two bonding pairs, two lone pairs, and that will be V-shaped, and that is 104.5. And a good example of that is water. Then we could have three bonding pairs, naught lone pairs, and that one would be trigonal planar. And the bond angle there is 120 degrees, and that would be BF3. Planar because it's flat. Then you could have four bonding pairs, naught lone pairs, then you could have tetrahedral, and that would be 109.5 degrees, and that would be methane would be a good example of that one. And then we could have six bonding pairs, naught lone pairs, and that would be octahedral, and the bond angle is 90 degrees, and an example of that is sulfur hexafluoride. Now, I'm going to leave that there for a few minutes. On OCR, these are basically all you tend to get. What you now need to do is you need to work out, using a dot and cross diagram, how it matches up. So, if we have a molecule like there's one more I've got to do. You can have three bonding pairs and one lone pair, and that is pyramidal, and that is 107, and that is ammonia. Now, let's say for instance that you've got phosphorus trichloride. So you would draw your phosphorus. Phosphorus has got 5 electrons in the outer shell. So it's got one lone pair. And then you've got your chlorines. Well, they will have 7 in the outer shell. So, we'll have another chlorine joining on there. And you'll have another chlorine down here. you can see that you've got 3 bonding pairs, 1 lone pair. There's 1 bonding pair there. You've got just to the chlorine on the left and the phosphorus. You've got another bonding pair down here with the bottom chlorine and the phosphorus. And you've got another bonding pair here with the phosphorus and the chlorine, and then you've got the lone pair on the actual phosphorus. And you can use any dot and cross diagram and use the table, and it will give you exactly the shape name and the angle name. So all you need to do is just learn the table.